to start my solo travel journey and move from Chicago all the way across the continent to Ghana. So yes, I'm on my solo female travel journey around West Africa. I am nervous, I am scared, but I'm happy at the same time, and I am about to go pack after this.
Every moment tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me, let things happen.
So I landed in Accra, and I'm excited because you don't have to pay that $150 COVID fee. So you don't have to pay that, so I'm excited. And all they ask you for is your passport and your COVID vaccination card. And I'm walking out to custom and baggage claim.
One last time, let me hold you. One last time, what if it's too late for me now?
So guys, unfortunately, I had lost some of my footage from my SD card, and I am not a techie. I don't know how to recover footage, so I gotta jump in real quick and give you guys an overview of my moving to Ghana. So the flight was everything. I take United. It was pretty smooth. It was really nice, no hassle. And when I landed to the airport, you won't believe who I meet. Well, if you follow me over TikTok, then yeah, you already know. Or you check out my YouTube shorts, then you already know. But I meet actually doing Wade in Gabrielle Union. I saw all these cultural people. They was dancing. They was just beating drums and just having a good time. And I was like, why they're here? And anyways, watch this clip real quick.
You're very like me.
Every moment tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you look at me, I lose it too.
Yes guys, so thank you for watching my video, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and make sure you subscribe and ring the notification bell, because in this moving to Ghana, I will do a moving to Ghana living like a local series. So those videos are gonna come next, so make sure you smash that red subscribe button, ring the notification bell, so you can upload whenever I post. And thank you for checking out the vlog, and see you in the next one. Bye.